The earth is tired, but not defeated. For decades, we've farmed in ways that stripped the soil, drained the water, and warmed the skies. But a revolution is growing beneath our feet. Regenerative farming doesn't just reduce harm, it heals. It pulls carbon from the air, brings life back to the land, and gives farmers a future. From fields in Kansas to communities in Kenya, the soil movement is rising. This isn't just a method, it's a solution to climate change, food insecurity, and ecological collapse. Because when we heal the soil, we heal everything. The earth is waiting. Will you help regrow it? Regrow the Earth, the Promise of Regenerative Farming, a documentary by The Soil Story, premieres 15 August 2015. Subscribe now to The Soil Story.